Allow me to introduce you to the BIGRIG. Yep, it's big, it's bold, and you can build one too. For the first time ever, we're doing a giveaway, and the prize? The BIGRIG. If you want to enter the giveaway, I'll be leaving the instructions in the description. And so without further ado, I think it's time we get to the build. Now that the base is complete, we can start putting stuff on it. Firstly, the engine. Boom, fuel tanks, bonnet and big V8 complete. That being said, we're far from done, so let's get to it. Now we have a place for the trailer to sit, all that's left is the cabin. And with that, the truck is done. Let's give it a look. Alright, montage done. Now for the trailer.
In a world of only electricity, combustion is outlawed!
Oops, wrong trailer. There we go. The base of the trailer is done. That being said, we are nowhere near finished, so let's crack on.
Bruh.
Now the second floor is starting to take shape and the storage area is complete. Let's move on. And with that, the BIGRIG is finished. If you want to build one yourself, you can use the link in the description for 20% off. And for those of you who are wondering, this set is inspired by the Peterbuilt 589. Now I need you guys to help. I want to make more YouTube videos, so you need to tell me what you want to see. Is it build videos? Maybe some tier lists and fun facts? Or do you want to see us durability test a Lamborghini? I don't know, let me know in the comments. And with that, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to like if you did and subscribe if you want to see more. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.